So here's the problem. We got this guy. He claims that the reason that we see the sunset disappear into the horizon at an angle like this, where it shrinks as it gets smaller, what we can see of it shrinks. Now, the reason he says this happens is because the Earth, the flat disk like this, North Pole in the center, Antarctica surrounds the outside edge, and then here's all our continents and whatnot in the middle. And the sun and moon orbit around like this, casting basically a spotlight on the ground as they rotate, or as the sun rotates, it creates a spotlight on the ground. And this is why we see, when we're watching the sunset from over here, that it shrinks instead of what he claims is what we should see. Is if we're looking out like this, and this is the horizon, as the sun sets, we should see an even level of light, similar to when you're looking at this from the space station, from their cameras. That's pretty much what you see. You see pretty much an even disappearing of light over the horizon as the sun sets. A little bit brighter right in the middle. But you're looking at so much different perspective when you're up 250 miles in the air and you're able to see the curvature of the Earth. You're seeing a much different view. Now, what's actually happening here is, this is our globe. This is the divide between night and day. So this is day over here, this is night, and the horizon is moving from night to day. So if you're standing right here looking, your field of view looking in this direction, you're not going to see perfectly straight across the horizon as the Terminator into night is moving. What you're going to see is an arched field of view. So as this line moves this way away from you, you are going to see less and less of that line until finally it disappears to a final point.